बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। या अली अलैहिस्सलाम मदद, हक मौजूद, पंचतन पाक अलैहिस्सलाम सदा मौजूद। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अॼु पाण मिलूं पिया मिस जीन जेरल्ड सां ऐं ही पाण खे कुझु शयुनि जा नाला इंग्लिश में ॿुधाईंदी ऐं पाण ॾिसंदासीं त पाण सिंधी में उन्हनि खे छा था चऊं। आई जस्ट गेव इंट्रोडक्शन ब्रीफ इन माई सिंधी लैंग्वेज टू माई स्टूडेंट्स and I thank you, Miss Jean Jerauld. You can say hello and wave to my students.
Hello.
They are in Sindh in Pakistan and they speak Sindhi language. That's my native, my mother tongue. So Jean, tell us what you have and then I'll tell you what do we call those things in our language, in my Sindhi language.
Well, these are peanuts.
Peanuts. Peanuts are, we call it khaja.
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 One of the ways we use peanuts is in peanut butter.
Yeah, peanut butter. Peanuts पाण जेके चवंदा आहियूं खाजा ऐं उर्दू में जेके चवंदा आहिनि मूंगफली। So इहे आहिनि peanuts जेके तव्हां ॾिसो पिया. Okay, so I'll put peanuts spelling for my students on the screen. Okay, what's next that you have in the tray?
This is sesame seed.
ही जेके तिर जिनखे पाण तिर चवंदा आहियूं ही उहे आहिनि sesame seeds चइबो आहे इन्हनि खे तिर. We call it tir.
Tir.
Tir, yeah, with T-I-R.
Tir.
Yeah, tir.
Tir.
Okay, thank you, Jean. What's the next thing
And
that you
these
have?
are pecans that were grown in Texas.
Okay, pecans जेके टेक्सिस में इन्हनि जो फसल थींदो आहे। टेक्सिस जा pecans आहिनि। pecans जेके आहिनि उहे पाण वटि अक्सर करे जेको मुल्तानी हलवो ठहंदो आहे उनमें अखरोट सां गॾु pecans खे बि विझंदा आहिनि। इहे pecans आहिनि। Okay, that's pecans. I don't think that we grow them, but what's the next thing that you have?
Okay,
Pecans.
these are almonds.
Almonds जेके पाण बादाम चवंदा आहियूं. So we call them badam, Jean.
Badam.
Yes, badam. B-A-D-A-A-M.
Oh, badam.
Badam, yes. Okay, what else do we have?
And then these are pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds ही जेके आहिनि पाण जो कद्दू थींदो आहे उन जा जेके ॿिज थींदा आहिनि उन्हनि ॿिजनि खे चइबो आहे pumpkin seeds. Okay, great. And what else do we have?
And then these we call black-eyed peas.
These we call chaura.
Chaura.
Yeah, you want to say that?
Chaura.
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 Yeah, chaura. Chaura is the black-eyed peas. इन्हनि खे पाण चवंदा आहियूं चौरा ऐं इंग्लिश में इन्हनि खे चइबो आहे ब्लैक आइड पीस. What do you call them?
Black-eyed peas.
Black-eyed peas. Thank you, Jean.
Chaura.
Chaura. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, what else do we have?
These are oats.
Oats. Java.
Java.
Java. That's what we call Java. Thank you, Jean. And what else
And
is
then
this?
this is wheat.
Okay, he kanka. We call it kank.
Karnika?
Oh, you did it well. A lot of people can't say that. Even people who are in our country, the non-Sindhi, they cannot say kank.
Karnk.
Yeah, they can't say it.
I'm always surprised how similar these
They
look.
look, yeah,
They
definitely.
taste very different.
Definitely. Kank. Kank ke paan chana hu. Wheat. Okay, what else do we have?
Brown rice.
Brown rice. He jeko ahe paan wat be hine jo सगदासी मुंहिंजे ख़्याल सां जेको नस्ल थिए थो चांवरनि जो पाण चवंदा आहियूं हिनखे चांवर ऐं हीउ जेको हिनखे नासी तर्जुमो कजे त ब्राउन राइस माना नासी चांवर पर मुंहिंजे ख़्याल सां वधीक जेके दोस्त ॼाणनि था उन्हनि ख़बर हूंदी पाण वटि बि इहो थिए थो सगदासी नस्ल जो ब्राउन राइस. ओके, ग्रेट. व्हाट एल्स?
Lentils.
लेंटल्स. हीअ दाल आहे पंहिंजी.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
mung and dal.
I've heard dal.
Yes. Okay, what else do we have?
Oh, sunflower seeds.
Okay, ही जेको सूरजमुखी जेको फ्लावर या गुल थींदो आहे सनफ्लावर चइबो आहे उनखे ऐं पाण चवंदा आहियूं सूरजमुखी. सूरजमुखी.
Surajmuki.
Yeah, means that its face is towards the sun.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Mukhi means a face.
It follows the sun during the day.
And
yes.
Suraj means the sun, so Surajmukhi.
Surajmukhi.
Yeah, in Sanskrit we call it Surajmukhi, and that's the same way how we have it in Sindhi, because
Okay.
Sanskrit is the mother language to Sindhi, to Sindhi as well as Hindi. And so Surajmukhi, sunflower seeds. Okay, and what do we have here?
And then these are chickpeas.
Oh, chickpeas. Chickpeas जेके आहिनि, जेके पाण चऊं वॾो चणो, ऐं आम तरह सां जीअं पाण वटि रिवाज में इनखे छोलो चइबो आहे. We call it cholo.
Cholo.
Yeah, cholo. And otherwise we call it vado chanu. Vado chanu means big pea,
Oh,
big
okay.
chickpea.
Say that again.
Vado.
Wado.
Yes.
Okay,
Well done.
vado.
Vado chanu. Vado means big.
Okay, wado. Big. Okay.
Right. So, and normally in Urdu as well as in Sindhi, these are called chola.
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 Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Jean, for contributing towards helping our students back in Sindh to learn about these things and what do we call these crops or these food items in English. And they know it in Sindhi, but with your lesson, and I really appreciate you taking out time and spending this time with me for my Sindhi students tutorial programs. Well, you can wave back, and I thank you from all of my students in Sindh.
It's good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And with Jean Sagad, ॿिया बि lessons ॾिसंदासीं inshallah. I'm saying that God willing, we'll get more lessons with Jean, and that way my students can learn English and better their life and their education. God bless you. Thank you so much.